Hello designers, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going over 6 design mistakes in a square bathroom and how to fix them. Before we get started, Planner 5D is having a huge Black Friday sale. From now until November 20th, you can get 50% off of the Pro membership. After that, the discount drops to 45% and then 40%. The Pro membership will give you access to the best tools in Planner 5D, so make sure you don't miss out on this deal. Alright, let's get started. The toilet is directly facing the entrance, which feels a bit awkward, and there's a wasted gap beside the shower. A better layout would be to move the toilet to the side so it's still easy to access but not visible from the door. It fills that empty space and feels much more private. The fixtures are too small, leaving the bathroom looking cold, empty, and unplanned. Choose larger fixtures that suit the room's size and add art or decor to make it feel cozy and balanced. The shower is centered on the wall, wasting valuable space on both sides. Try tucking it into a corner and add a partition wall. This creates a clean layout and a natural spot for the toilet on the other side. All of the fixtures sit along one wall, making the layout feel tight and unbalanced. Instead, use the long wall for a double sink. It opens up the space and adds a strong focal point. Placing the bathtub in the middle of a smaller bathroom disrupts the flow and blocks access. Place it along a wall so the rest of the fixtures stay accessible and the room feels more open. The toilet and shower placement make the space awkward to move around in. Instead, keep the toilet easily accessible and make sure there's open space in front of the shower for comfortable entry and exit. There you go, 6 design mistakes and how to fix them. Before you go, here is a quick little recap. Don't face the door. Keep the toilet tucked to the side so it feels private and isn't the first thing you see when you walk in. Go bigger. Choose fixtures that match the scale of the room and add decor to fill empty space and make it feel inviting. Corner the shower. Tuck the shower into a corner and use a partition to eliminate dead space and separate functions cleanly. Use the long wall. Take advantage of the widest wall for a standout feature like a double sink that anchors the whole layout. Don't center the tub. Place the bathtub along a wall so the space flows better and all fixtures stay easily accessible. Plan for access. Arrange the toilet, shower, and entry points with clear space around them to keep movement open and comfortable. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video.